Hey there! Aren't you tired of managing massive data? We'll jump into 4 game-changing Excel hacks that everyone should know. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Pivot tables for instant insights. Pivot tables can turn your overwhelming data into actionable insights in no time. Select your data, go to the Insert tab, and then click Pivot Tables. Now drag and drop to configure your report. Watch your data come to life. Tip number 2. Index match over VLOOKUP. Need more flexibility than VLOOKUP offers? Use index and match together to fetch data from anywhere in your spreadsheet. Not just from vertical lines left to right, but also from segments left to right and right to left. It's a game changer. Tip number 3. Dynamic named ranges with tables. Convert your data ranges to tables by pressing Ctrl-T. This will make your data ranges dynamic, meaning that they will adjust automatically as you remove or add data. Plus, it makes your formulas much easier to read and maintain. Tip number 4. Direct SQL query. Connect Excel to your SQL database to run queries on your sheets. Go to Data, then Get Data, select From Database, and then choose From SQL Server. Now you can interact with your SQL data without ever leaving Excel. There you have it, 4 Excel hacks to supercharge your data management skills. Do try them out!